Hey everybody, welcome back to One Seed, One World. Hopefully this video comes out okay today because it's a little windy out here, and plus my rooster Doug keeps crowing his head off while I'm trying to talk, and so hopefully that doesn't ruin the video here. So today I wanted to talk about chickens eating their own eggs and what you can do to maybe, or like why it happens, and also what you can maybe do to prevent it. So let's talk first about why it happens. Number one, Doug, your chickens could possibly have a calcium deficiency. And so they are then using their eggs as a supplement to supplement the amount of calcium that they need to get into their system. Now, if your chickens have a calcium deficiency, you're probably going to notice them pecking at their eggs and stuff quite frequently and ruining your eggs. And then you end up going out to pick up your eggs, and you end up with just a mess like that. You know, they've destroyed the rest of it. So first, make sure that your chickens have enough calcium. You can get oyster shells from various farm stores and online to add as a supplement to their diet. What we also do is we use their own eggshells. After we've used the eggs, we dry them and then crush them up into little bits, keep it in a jar like that, and then we just add it to like snacks or to their feed, and then they'll peck at that and eat that if they want some additional calcium. And this isn't going to cause them to get a taste for their own eggs by doing it this way, by drying them out and stuff first. So eliminate that issue if there is a calcium deficiency. Now, another reason why they might be eating their eggs is it could just be accidental. Sometimes if you've got a crowded egg box, they might go in and, one chicken might go in to lay an egg and step on another egg that's already in there, crack it, and then some of the yolk and stuff will come out. They'll see it and, really want to try that snack out, since chickens will eat just about anything. And so they will then eat the egg then. And that might happen from time to time. Another reason why your chickens might eat their eggs is just out of boredom. You want to make sure your chickens have plenty of room to, kind of range about and have snacks and other things to keep them occupied and busy. They're very curious creatures. And so if they get bored and are stuck, like say just in a coop, they might start pecking at their eggs and then just become egg eaters. So make sure your chickens aren't bored. So how can you prevent these things from happening? Well, you might have an option of, especially like if you have a coop that doesn't have a normal egg box like built in like mine does, or if you're just getting ready to build a coop, you can look at some of these rollaway options, rollaway nesting boxes or egg boxes, so that when the chicken lays an egg, the egg then rolls out away and goes into a kind of holding container where the chickens can't get to them, and then they're safe for you to go harvest, when you're ready. Or I should say, and also the good thing about those rollaway is it keeps the eggs much cleaner because they're out. As soon as they come out of the chicken, they roll away, and they're not going to get stepped on or other chickens scratching stuff on them or poop on them or whatnot. So it helps keep your eggs cleaner. But that might not be an option. You might not be able to, want to spend the money on buying a rollaway box, or in my case, I have a fully built coop with an egg box already built in. I don't really have a good spot to install one of those. So another thing that you can do is make sure that you are harvesting your eggs twice a day. Most of the time, not always, but in general, chickens tend to do a lot of their laying in the morning. So, if you can get out there by noon or so and do a harvest and then do another check in the evening and get the rest of the eggs then, that is taking that temptation away from, your chickens wanting to peck at them, even if they, might be bored, or you might have one that is just wanting to eat the eggs. So try a rollaway box. Make sure that your chickens are not calcium deficient. Make sure they get plenty of calcium either through crushed eggshells, oyster shells, and just having a good quality food that has calcium content in it. And then harvest your eggs, you know, if you can, twice a day to make sure those eggs are out of there and out of the way, they're not stepping on them or pecking them. And that should help clear up most of the issues that you might run into with your chickens eating their eggs. Whatever's going on in your neck of the woods, I hope it's working out great for you and that your chickens are happy and healthy. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and give this, this video a like if you found this information helpful. If you have any other questions or other suggestions and comments, please feel free to put them below. But thanks for hanging out with me again today. We will see you again soon. Namaste.